Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
I will explain H2C basics and the two connection modes used today. H2C runs cleartext HTTP/2 typically on port 80 and does not use TLS. Clients use either upgrade negotiation or prior knowledge to start HTTP/2. Upgrade negotiation begins as an HTTP/1. One request that includes upgrade, H2C, and HTTP2 settings. Prior knowledge mode sends the HTTP/2 connection preface string PRI asterisk HTTP/2, 0 immediately, and then switches protocols without HTTP/1. 1. Negotiation. First, decide whether to use upgrade negotiation or prior knowledge for your client. Use a tool or library that supports H2C, like curl or NGHTTP2, or a custom HTTP/2 client. For upgrade mode, send an HTTP/1. One request to port 80 including upgrade, H2C, and HTTP2 settings. For prior knowledge, connect to port 80 and immediately send the PRI asterisk HTTP/2, 0 preface. Confirm the server supports H2C before continuing to avoid failed connections. Now I will show example commands and testing steps to verify H2C connectivity. For prior knowledge testing with curl, use curl HTTP to prior knowledge vHTTP / example. com80 / For upgrade testing, craft an HTTP/1. One request with upgrade, H2C and HTTP2 settings, and observe a 101 or HTTP/2 settings response. You can use NGHTTP or NGHTTPX to view frames and the settings exchange. Confirm the exchange completes and subsequent requests use HTTP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.